Aging wood takes forever, and trying to replicate it can be expensive and confusing.
Hi, I'm Cody, a carpenter with 10 years of experience, and I've tried all the different ways to age wood. I found that these two household products are the cheapest and the easiest way to age wood in under 2 minutes.
To get started, you'll need distilled vinegar, steel wool, a container, and a brush. For this demo, we're going to use new, untreated 2x4s. With all of our supplies handy, we're going to place our steel wool into the container and begin to let it soak in vinegar. For this example, we'll fill the jar 75% full with steel wool and cover it to the top with vinegar. Steel wool is sold in several different grades, from coarse to fine. The finer the steel wool, the faster it will dissolve. For this example, I'm using the finest steel wool available. During this process, you'll start to see bubbles forming as the chemical reaction begins to break down the steel wool. Depending the temperature and humidity, you'll begin to see the vinegar solution become cloudy in just a few hours. The longer you leave the steel wool in the solution, the darker and browner it will become. The amount of time it will take for this solution to reach the correct color will depend on your desired look. To neutralize and slow the effect, remove the steel wool from the jar. For this demo, we'll test two solutions that have aged 12 and 48 hours. A longer aged solution will produce a deeper, browner look, and a lesser aged solution will create a lesser brown look. Diluting these solutions after they've aged will increase the grays and the blacks while also reducing the browns. We will dilute both solutions and test all four. To apply this solution, we'll brush it on each one of these boards and let them sit. Within a few minutes, you'll begin to see the wood age right before your eyes. Over time, these boards will continue to naturally age and the colors will have more variations and more depth. If you plan on using this method on an outdoor project, you may want to explore sealing it with an oil or a polyurethane finish.
We're still just getting started here on YouTube. If you feel like I've earned it, don't forget before you go, like and subscribe.